Impressive unmanned aerial vehicles of different types equipped with artificial intelligence capable of flying at high altitude and carrying out multiple types of missions which are currently in service in armies around the world. These are the 10 most advanced military drones in the world. Number 10. Bayraktar TB2. It is a multi-purpose drone with great autonomy that has been manufactured in Turkey. It can perform intelligence, surveillance, or reconnaissance missions. It measures 6.5 meters in length and 12 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 700 kilos and a load capacity of 150 kilos. It has one engine with 100 horsepower and can reach a speed of 220 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 8,000 meters and has a range of 27 hours. Since 2014, he has been in service in the armed forces and police of Turkey and in other countries such as Qatar or Ukraine. Number 9. M25 Stingray. It is an aerial refueling drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to be able to operate from aircraft carriers and will enter service in the United States Navy. It will be used to refuel aircraft such as the F-35 and expand its range in different missions such as surveillance or reconnaissance. It aims to refuel more than 4 aircraft per flight in a range of 925 kilometers. It measures 5.5 meters in length and 23 meters in wingspan. It has one jet engine that allows it to reach a speed of 620 kilometers per hour and can carry 7.2 tons of fuel. Number 8. XQ-58 Valkyrie. It is a long-range stealth drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to provide an unmanned escort to different military aircraft. It measures 8.8 meters in length and 6.7 meters in wingspan. It can be used in surveillance or reconnaissance missions and deploy smaller drones such as the Altius 600 to increase their operational capabilities. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 2.7 tons and a load capacity of 540 kilos. It can reach a speed of 1,050 kilometers per hour, fly at an altitude of 13,700 meters, and has a range of 3,900 kilometers. Number 7. Loyal Wingman. It is a new stealth and multi-purpose drone that has been manufactured in Australia. It is designed to fly in a group and function as an intelligent team, completing air missions. It can also perform autonomous missions independently using artificial intelligence. Its performance is similar to that of a fighter and can fly alongside different types of aircraft. Its front part can be replaced by different interchangeable modules with specific capacities. It measures 11.7 meters in length by 7.3 meters in wingspan and has a range of 3,700 kilometers. This drone will be used to support manned aircraft such as the F-35 of the Royal Australian Air Force. Number 6. Aksungur. It is a high-performance drone that has been manufactured in Turkey for the country's armed forces. It can work autonomously and perform different missions such as surveillance or maritime patrol. It measures 11.6 meters in length and 24 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 3.3 tons and a load capacity of 750 kilos. It has 2 turbo diesel engines with 340 horsepower in total and can reach a speed of more than 250 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 12,200 meters and has a range of 60 hours or 6,500 kilometers. Number 5. Bayraktar Akinci. It is a high-performance strategic drone that has been manufactured in Turkey. It can fly autonomously and has artificial intelligence systems. It measures 12.2 meters in length and 20 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons and a payload capacity of 1.5 tons. It has 2 turboprop engines with 1,500 horsepower in total and can reach a speed of 360 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 12,000 meters and has a range of 24 hours. The first 3 units entered service in the Turkish Armed Forces in 2021. Number 4. MQ-9 Reaper. It is a multi-purpose drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed for long-duration and high-altitude missions. It measures 11 meters in length and 20 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4.7 tons and a payload capacity of 1.7 tons. It has one engine with 900 horsepower and can reach a speed higher than 450 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 15,000 meters and has a range of 27 hours. He is currently in service with the United States Air Force, the Italian Air Force, or the Spanish Air Force. Number 3. Predator Sea Avenger. It is a fast and highly accurate drone that has been manufactured in the United States. Its design and speed allow it to increase its survivability in harsh environments. It measures 13 meters in length and 20 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 18.2 tons and a load capacity of 4.5 tons. It has one jet engine that allows it to reach a speed of 740 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 15,000 meters and has a range of 20 hours. It is currently in service with the United States Air Force. Number 2. X-47B. It is a high-performance drone designed to operate from aircraft carriers that has been manufactured in the United States. It can perform multiple types of missions, and its design has led to other drones that are currently in development. It measures 11.6 meters in length and 19 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 20.2 tons and a payload capacity of 2 tons. It has one jet engine that allows it to reach a speed of more than 1,100 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 12,800 meters and has a range of 3,900 kilometers. Number 1. RQ-4 Global Hawk. It is a reconnaissance drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It can perform long-duration and high-altitude missions by providing high-resolution images of large geographic areas. It measures 14.5 meters in length and 40 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 11.6 tons and a load capacity of 1.3 tons. It has one jet engine that allows it to reach a speed of 630 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 18,000 meters and has a range of 22,000 kilometers or 42 hours. It is currently in service with the United States Air Force or the Japan Self-Defense Force. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying about what topic you would like to see a new video about. If you like this channel, please activate all notifications so you don't miss the next video.